Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to duplicate WhatsApp on this device. So if you want to have two physical WhatsApp icons on your device, then you'll need to use a feature that is called private space on your device. So let's go to settings and set it up. You want to scroll to section security and privacy. From here in section privacy, tap on private space. And now let's press setup button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Private space will create a secure and completely isolated profile on your device where you can download second version of WhatsApp, second copy, let's say. Then you want to sign in to your Google account. Okay, and after this you need to select who will be using this device. I select I'll be using. Then you need to agree with all Google terms of service. And now you want to select if you want to use new lock that will be completely different from the one that you use to unlock your device, or you can stick to your current unlock type. So I will go to use screen lock. Let's tap done. And yes, we have just created private space. And how do you basically access it? You want to swipe up from your home screen like this and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see private section. So let's tap it. This is our private space. And now if you want, if you need to install here WhatsApp, if you want to have second WhatsApp on your Google Pixel 10 Pro, then press this plus add button and select install apps. This will redirect you to your Play Store, and now we'll need to download WhatsApp as usual. So let's tap install and wait until it's downloaded. Okay, and let's go back to private space, and as you can see inside private space you will find here WhatsApp. So you need to open WhatsApp and then you need to log in to your WhatsApp account using your data. So that is basically how it works. And additionally, if you want, you can again go to private space in your application drawer and select lock option so that it was not expanded. You need to close it. So that is basically it. That's how you can duplicate your WhatsApp on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.